Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 54,551 miles and is powered by the reliable 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle does come with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hunch as well. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the dash, but we've got 2 sections we're going to take a look at. The first one right here, where you can see that the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. And they also do go away. Looks like we're going to have to get some gas. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look up here. The number that you are seeing up top, 87,800, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 54,551. Let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.